All right, Christina here. Here I am. All right. Now, I'm going to get close to you because you have a soft voice and it's loud. So we are talking with Bob. Okay. And this Mack belongs to Bob. Now, the reason I'm videoing this Mack is because you don't see Cabovers very often anymore. So I want to make sure I get this good. And this was really nicely done. It's all fixed up real nice with the shiny wheels. And come on, Bob, let's walk around and check out the back over here. Do you get your tanks shined professionally, or do you do those yourself?
To tell you the truth, Christina, I just picked it up.
You just picked it up, really?
Just picked it up in Miami, Florida. I've been looking for a classic old Cabover for a number of years, and this one came up for sale, and I was able to make a deal with the buyer, and it all worked out, and we're taking it back home to West Virginia.
Now, West Virginia, awesome. A lot of people have never seen a fifth wheel. They see trucks going down the road, but they never really saw what connects to. This connects to the trailer. This is your fifth wheel, and he'll back up under the trailer. It will connect right where my finger's pointing. It'll connect right in there and lock. And then when he gets ready to drop the trailer, he will come over here so you can get a close up. And this handle will pull. He'll get under the trailer, pull this handle, which unlocks the trailer and allows him to pull away after he rolls the legs down on the trailer, of course. So now, this was all painted up and ready to go when you found it?
Yeah, it was.
Excellent, excellent, beautiful.
He's owned by a fella. He pulls a refrigerated trailer with it, part-time. But before that, it was owned by a fella in Iowa. And before that, it was originally delivered to R&R Mack in Youngstown, the original purchase.
And what year is this now?
It's a 1993.
93.
I'm the fourth owner, as far as we know.
Fourth owner. Wow. Okay, so everything was all shiny and ready to go. Do you know what kind of wheelbase you have in here? How long that wheelbase?
200-inch wheelbase.
200. Now, for those of you who don't know the wheelbase is, that is from under the cab, and it flows along past both sets of wheels here and goes to the back. That's your wheelbase. That's how long it is. So the longer the wheelbase, the better the ride. Right? Don't you think so, Bob?
I think so. Yeah, that's the deal. But,
so since you have a long wheelbase, what are you planning on doing with it?
I plan on pretty much just using it as a show vehicle.
Okay, a show truck.
I'm just going to keep it as a classic, classic antique, get it registered and insured as a classic vehicle, and just hope to run around to all the truck shows and
show it off.
Have everyone else enjoy it.
Yeah, so I guess you're going to put some chrome nodules on all these and chrome it out. And do you think you're going to put a chrome plate on here? I've seen chrome plates on this before. Like a lot of trucks will put a chrome plate down through there.
You know what? The unique thing about this particular truck is it's all original.
Okay, it's all original.
Yeah, the frame is factory original 200-inch wheelbase. It has the high-grade owner-operator interior. It's all original.
Really? Can we take a peek?
Yeah, absolutely.
Maybe I don't want to climb up there. I just want to take a peek so people can see what. See, now a Cabover, folks, has no nose on it. That's a flat front, okay? So you need to climb up one of these steps right here and end up way up here. And that's kind of gives you a little shot here of the steering wheel and the CB's up there in the ceiling. He's got his fan set up. Very nice, very nice. And you got plugs over here. Mack always does this, don't they? They put the excess plugs on most of their trucks, I think, for plugging in when it's cold or whatever. Now, why do you have two? Let's see what's in there. Let's get a shot of that. So that is probably, okay, that just goes, there's nothing in that one. So, okay, you got to fill these in then, I guess. Yeah. So that's some work you have to do. All right. Well, you know what? That's awesome. Anything else you want to say about this fancy little machine?
I sure do. I'd like to, if you're watching this video, I'd like to invite you to get on the webpage, American Truck Historical Society, or the Antique Truck Club of America. Jump on that website, look at the truck photos from all the truck shows, and be sure to check out next year's calendar. And if there's a truck show near you, come on out and support us. Absolutely.
Give the name of that website again one more time.
Okay, that's the American Truck Historical Society.
American Truck Historical Society.
Or the Antique Truck Club of America.
Or Antique Truck Club of America. Okay. Now, here's what I'm going to do. We're going to say goodbye. I want to shake hands with you. Thank you so very much.
Thank you,
All right.
Christina.